The most expensive thing in your company's office is you. It's a brutal truth, but by 2029, your value won't be measured by your years of experience, your degree, or your hustle. It will be measured by a simple calculation: compute cost versus human output. If an AI agent can deliver 90% of your current work for the price of a monthly subscription, you aren't just at risk, you are an accounting inefficiency. We've spent the last 3 years, 2023 to 2026, waiting for a moment, a point where AI suddenly becomes smart enough. But that was the wrong way to look at it. AI isn't going to replace you like a robot in a sci-fi movie. It's going to deconstruct your role. By 2029, we aren't talking about unemployment. We're talking about task erosion, where your job doesn't disappear, but the parts of it that actually made you valuable are stripped away, leaving you as nothing more than a glorified button pusher for an algorithm. In the next 5 minutes, we're going to look at the augmentation gap, the 3-year window where you either learn to architect the system or become part of the data that trains it. We'll break down why the entry-level ladder has been destroyed and how the most resilient workers of 2029 are building a physical firewall around their careers. Let's look at the math behind your future. The transition isn't a single event. It's a 3-stage demolition of the white-collar status quo. Stage 1. The automation of routine knowledge. Now to 2027. This is the stage we are finishing. Tasks like basic translation, research, drafting, and data entry are already being offloaded to agents. The junior roles are the first to be hollowed out. Stage 2. The agentic takeover, 2027 to 2028. This is where we move from chatbots to proxies. We aren't just using AI to write emails. We are giving AI agents access to our bank accounts, our scheduling software, and our supply chains. The agent does the entire process, not just the task. Stage 3. The skills inversion, 2028 to 2029. The final stage, where the knowledge you spent years acquiring becomes a commodity. Because AI can access and synthesize the entire internet, the person who knows the answer is worth less than the person who can navigate the AI. We've seen a massive decline in entry-level hiring in fields like marketing, law, and programming. Why? Because the work juniors used to do, the training ground for future leaders, is now being handled by $20 per month software. By 2029, we face a leadership vacuum. If no one enters at the bottom, how do we grow the experts of tomorrow? We are moving into an economy that wants instant experts and ignores the process of getting there. If you are starting your career now, you have to find a way to skip the automated entry-level work and prove your value through high-context, real-world experience that an AI can't touch. The research is clear. Roles that depend on high-stakes interpersonal judgment and physical complexity are the most resilient. AI can process data, but it cannot take responsibility. It cannot look a client in the eye, navigate a messy political situation in a boardroom, or make a high-stakes ethical call. If your role requires you to stand behind your decisions, you are currently safe. If you don't want to be the one replaced by 2029, you need to change your operating system. Stop producing. Start orchestrating. Don't be the one writing the code or the report. Be the one designing the workflow that uses 10 different AIs to create the output. Double down on human-to-human connection. Empathy, negotiation, and leadership aren't soft skills anymore. They are your only competitive advantages. Build your own portfolio of evidence. In an age where everything digital can be faked, your physical achievements and your verified, non-AI generated reputation are your new currency. The future isn't a destination we're waiting for. It's an implementation process that is happening every time a company updates its software. If you aren't actively building your physical firewall or learning to command the agents, you aren't just waiting for the future, you're waiting to be legacy. We are approaching the responsibility ceiling. As AI takes over the execution, the writing, the coding, the data synthesis, the human role is being forced upward into a vacuum of accountability. In 2029, your employer won't ask you if you know how to do the work. They will ask you if you are willing to stake your reputation on the outcome of an automated process. The danger isn't that the AI will make a mistake. The danger is that the AI will be perfectly correct in a way that doesn't align with human long-term interests. We are building a world where the speed of operation is blinding, and if you don't have the architect's perspective, the ability to see the system-wide effects of an agent's actions, you will become just another cog in an automated machine that moves too fast to fix. Your mission for the next 36 months is simple: relentless differentiation. Stop optimizing for utility, being the fastest, the most compliant, or the most efficient. Machines will always be better at that. Instead, start optimizing for high-context humanity. Learn the systems, understand the infrastructure, and build the physical or relational moats that no algorithm can breach. If you cannot explain why something needs to happen and take the heat when it goes wrong, you are essentially a ghost in the machine's waiting room. We are entering an era of radical personal accountability. The comfort of the corporate process is dissolving. By 2029, you are your own enterprise. You are the CEO of your own skill stack, and you are either in the process of building a moat around your value, or you are watching the water rise. Thank you for watching this deep dive into the reality of 2029. We are living through the most compressed era of economic change in 10,000 years. If you want to be part of the group that understands the skills inversion and knows how to pivot before the implementation is complete, hit that subscribe button. We track the real-time collision of AI and human life every single week, ensuring you stay the architect of your own future rather than the victim of someone else's automation. Drop a comment below. Which task in your daily work do you think is dead man walking? The one that will be 100% handled by an AI agent by 2029? I want to hear your predictions, and I read every single one of them. I'll see you in the next deep dive. The system is live. Stay human, stay curious, and keep your eyes on the agent.